Okay, I think it's Saturday.
It is.
Is it the 4th?
I believe so.
Of June 2022. And we have driven how far from the campsite?
I think it was 40 miles?
40 odd miles. Where are we?
Ynys Hir,
How
RSPB Reserve.
do you spell that?
YNYS-HIR.
Yeah, bit of a windy road coming in. And then we thought we'd park with our ends like over the grass, and unbeknownst to us,
In the long grass.
in the long grass that you can't see, was a bloody great log. And I heard crunch, crunch, crunch. So I don't know if we've done any damage or not. So let's just see what we'll see. So far we've been following the blue trail. Not sure what that trail is, but it's brought us to here. Along some sort of marshes or something. Is it marshes?
Yeah, salt marsh.
Salt marsh. The weather's not great, is it? It's windy. The light's rubbish and it's just crap. Not the nature reserve, just the weather and everything. We did just see a male and female pheasant down there. That's about it. Going into another bird hide. Marianne Moore. Oh, I'm not even going to say that anyway. Bird hide. Whoa. Look at that. A little bunch of Canada geese there on the bank and 2 swimming over. And we've got a couple in the river down there as well, whatever the river is. No, it's a river, not river, is it? Whatever this wetty stuff's called. It is a river, and I think that might be a duck or 2 down there. Oops, something flying over, that's a duck. Let's see if I can get some photos. see her, but there is a female pheasant just gone in here, and you probably can't even see that either, but the grass and stuff's moving just behind her because she's got about 3 little babies following her. I did get some photos, I don't know what they'll come out like. They were on this path. Pied flycatcher alert, stand here. Pied flies are nesting nearby. Okay, we'll just stand here then to the end of days. Okay, so we're back at the junction. So we're going down. I don't know whether we're doing the red or the blue. All will be revealed. Oh, no, presumably red is down there. Green is this way. Okay, that nest box there somewhere is a pied flycatcher's nest, and we've been watching him doing and throwing. I've tried to take some photos, but they're not very good, I don't think. There's another. What are they called? Pied flycatcher nest box there. Oh, there they go.